So Valocity is a mortgage valuation platform that streamlines the entire process for property decisioning. Every bank in the world has to validate the value of a property before they can lend money on it, so Valocity helps them do that better and faster. The problem that Valocity solves was two growing frictions. The first is in the bank, increased regulatory compliance. So we saw post-2008 the importance of actually reliable valuations that were accurate. Customers' expectations was for a more seamless and relevant experience. And so Valocity set to solve those two frictions. It's very much about connecting the ecosystem digitally and enabling that flow to happen faster and better.
It's very, very quick. But sitting behind that is a whole bunch of complex technology, from machine learning to geotagging and geoanalysis, working out that property you're referring to, and it goes, yes, here's a decision straight away.
While we were in lockdown in New Zealand, we created a new app called Valocity Connect. The valuer sends a link to the property occupier through a template that's very, very intuitive. They can take photos and they click to share, and that comes back seamlessly to the valuer. They can do comments all online, and it also geotags, and we know they're time-stamped and we know it's of that property. And we're seeing this now opportunities around the world where countries are in lockdown and wanting to access that app.
We're offering a global service to banks, resilient, secure and innovative.
Data sovereignty is a significant concern for a large part of our customer base, and by having multiple Azure data centre regions in those countries, we're able to not only meet the data residency requirements, but we can simultaneously offer very durable, high level of uptime service.
We need to be bank level security, so yes, we absolutely build apps in that way, but we also rely on external auditors and external parties to make sure we're 24/7 monitoring those environments.
Valocity operates this data platform end-to-end on Azure products entirely as a service, and each of those services has Azure security woven into it and applied consistently, not as an afterthought. And it's that combination of breadth and depth that enables us to provide the really high levels of security that we require.
Also, Microsoft's investment in innovation is a key part of that journey, because banks want to see that. They want to connect in that digitally connected way to the consumers.
The banking and finance sector is incredibly important to Microsoft. We're investing heavily and partnering with organisations like Valocity to build applications that is going to change your business. It's built on trust, on Azure, to give you security and confidence.
We're designing these solutions for people, to solve real people problems, to help people get a mortgage for their home. As long as we focus on having the best people, on collaborating to understand the problem and making sure that we're working really, really closely with our ecosystem and to continue to evolve our technology and our data, then we're incredibly excited by where we're going. The future is ours to create.